Chicken Run: Dawn of the Nugget is now streaming on Netflix, and it was made by Hard and Man Animations, Netflix Animation, DreamWorks, and it was distributed by Netflix. And it was a sequel to the original film, Chicken Run. So the first film was rated G, and now the second film is PG by the MPA. Having the escape from the farm, since the original film, Ginger and Rocky welcomed a new little adventure into their own lives back in mainland. The whole chicken kind faces a terrible new threat. But we'll just have to wait to find out and see. But I never watched Chicken Run before. But I never seen the rest of the film, the first film. But I never got that far. But I will see it sooner somehow. Let me know in the comments, and this is Minion Fan 1024 signing off.